Class 12th A, chapter number 10, part 2, haloalkanes and haloarenes. We study about methods and preparation of haloalkanes. Last time we studied about first method from alcohols, from hydrocarbons. In hydrocarbons, we study in last time Markovnikov rules, anti-Markovnikov rules, and now we study about the addition of halogen, that means alkene, when react with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride, it gives 1,2-dibromomethane. This is the example of vicinal dihalide. In vicinal dihalide, 2 carbon atom halogen is substituted on adjacent carbon atom. Third, by halogen exchange. This is the name reaction, Finkelstein reaction. Here halogen will be exchanged here. CH3CH2Br, bromoethane react with sodium iodide in presence of reflux. It gives CH3CH2I and NaBr. Here exchange of bromine with iodine. In this process reflux action, reflux, that means here evaporation. In this reaction evaporation will be takes place here and condensation also takes place here. Second is the Schwarz reactions. In presence of silver fluoride, cobalt fluoride, mercury fluoride, SbF3. When chloroethane react with H2F2, it gives fluoroethane and HgCl2. Fourth, methods and preparation of haloalkanes with the help of by silver salts of acids. Name reaction, boron Hundsdorf reaction. Silver salt CH3COAg react with bromine, it gives primary halide. In these reactions, primary halide readily prepared by these reactions and their order of reactivity becomes 1 degree is more, 2 degree is less, and tertiary halide will be less. Methods and preparation of haloarenes. Now we study the methods of preparation of haloarenes. First, direct halogenation of benzene ring takes place. Nuclear halogenation, when benzene react with halogen carrier in presence at 310 to 320 Kelvin temperature, it gives haloarenes and HX. FeBr3 react with bromine and FeBr4 negative plus bromide plus halogen carrier will be obtained. When benzene react with bromine halogen carrier, it react with and gives haloarenes. In these reactions, positive charge rotated in a benzene ring on position of ortho, then para, meta, and these gives haloarenes. FeBr4 act as a catalyst. It does not take part in chemical reaction but influence the chemical reactions. It gives bromo benzene, FeBr3 plus HBr. When chlorobenzene react with chlorine in axis in presence of FeCl3, it gives ortho haloarenes and para haloarenes. Side chain halogenation, when toluene reacts with chlorine, it in presence of light, it gives benzyl chloride. Second, from diazonium salts. It is known as Sandmeyer's reactions. When aniline react with sodium nitrite in presence of HCl, it gives benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride react with chlorine in presence of Cu2Cl2, it gives chlorobenzene. When benzene diazonium chloride react with bromine in presence of Cu2Br2, it gives bromobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride react with potassium iodide and warm it gives iodobenzene. When benzene diazonium chloride react with HbF4, it gives unstable compound, and finally it gives fluorobenzene, nitrogen plus BF3. These reactions is known as Wahl-Seemann reactions. By Gattermann reactions, benzene diazonium chloride in presence of copper and HCl, it gives chlorobenzene, benzene diazonium chloride. In presence of copper or HBr, it gives bromobenzene. In this way, we study about the methods and preparation of haloarenes and haloarenes and haloalkanes.